In today's video, we are going to be sublimating on ceramic ornaments. I'm going to teach you all the tips and tricks I have learned. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. For this project, you're going to use ceramic ornaments wherever you get those from. These are from jppplus.com. You're going to need some butcher paper, your designs. I'm going to do front and back. So I have some designs for the front and then some pictures for the back. And then this is really important. You're going to need a silicone kind of like mat. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was probably like $10. And make sure that it can resist up to 400 degrees or past. This one is like 450 or something like that, temperature wise, that it can resist. So make sure that it can do that before you use this. This is gonna help so that the paper doesn't stick on your ornaments, and it will just help to press a lot better. So we're gonna start off by prepping our ornaments. I'm gonna be making 3 ornaments, and these come individually in bubble wrap, which is nice so that they don't mess up. These are pretty thin. They're not like super thick or anything like that. They look like that. And they do come with some gold string. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take an ornament. I'm sorry if you hear my daughter in the background. This is real life. She's with me. You're gonna take an ornament and we're gonna go to our heat press and we're gonna get our pressure right. That way when we go to press, we won't risk any ghosting because we already have our pressure good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ornament, I'm gonna put it down, and I'll probably put down my rubber mat as well, my silicone mat. You want to make sure that you have the right amount of pressure, but you don't want to break it. So you don't want it to be really strong pressure. So I'm just going to loosen it up.
Good job, Mommy. You're doing it.
Okay, so there I feel like I have enough pressure. You're going to loosen it up basically until you can press it down without forcing it too much. So I want to be able to press it down. Could tighten it a little bit, but not. See, that right there feels like I would break the ornament. So I'm using it up a little bit. So enough pressure where you can press down, but it's not going to crack the ornament. And we're gonna come and prep our ones that we are actually gonna sub. So we're gonna take our ornaments, and you're gonna make sure that there's no lint. You can use a lint-free cloth or something like that. You're gonna make sure there's no lint. And now we're gonna double check and make sure this size is good for the ornaments. So we're gonna do one side at a time. So we're gonna just move our ornament, make sure we have it where we want it, and then we're gonna take our heat tape. So I put some butcher paper down. Now I'm just going to take the ornaments and I'm gonna flip them. Make sure the paper is facing up.
Yeah.
And take some butcher paper.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that on top. Then we're gonna put the silicone padding on top of that. And then we're gonna press at 400 degrees for 2 minutes and 50 seconds, light pressure. Make sure you have your heat gloves because these are gonna be really hot. We're gonna take our butcher paper off. Oh, I think my battery is dying. We're gonna move these to cool down. Well, actually we're gonna take off really fast like that. After a few minutes, they're finally cool enough to touch. This is how they turned out. When they come out, they're really, really hot, so you need to be careful. So now I'm going to do the same thing I did to the front. I'm gonna clean them, and then I'm gonna place them on my design. And then I'm gonna tape it down. Now we're gonna go back to our heat press to press these. So now we're gonna add another, change the butcher paper. We're gonna put a different sheet of butcher paper. we're gonna take them, we're gonna face them over. Again, the paper is facing up. So now we're gonna take a new piece of butcher paper, we're gonna put that on top. We're gonna take our silicone mat, and we're gonna put that on top as well. And we're gonna press again for 400 degrees for 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm gonna take off the silicone mat again. And I'm gonna put it to the side so I can put my ornaments on top of that to cool down so that I'm not melting anything else. I'm gonna just rip off. These are really hot, so I'm just gonna take corner. So I really like how they turned out. I love how the pictures look on them. They're so vibrant, so beautiful. Doing double-sided gets a little hard to get good pressure. I feel like one side comes out better than the other sometimes. I don't know. It's just me, I guess. But I love how these turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to get yourself the silicone pad at Hobby Lobby. It comes in handy. Trust me, it makes the world of a difference. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.